putting this anywhere. Don't have me tagged in anything.
Okay, open up. No, butterfly your legs back. Butterfly. I was not ready for that. Well, you're about to get ready for a whole lot more. Okay, butterfly your legs back.
Oh my gosh, how much can we do?
The whole thing.
Okay, can you just give me 1 second with this one? Like, I just know that this...
I'm just putting it on.
I know, I just know that this is going to hurt me so bad.
On.
Oh my gosh.
Give me one moment. Just give me
Oh my god, just give me like... What if you snatch
butterfly
off...
your legs open though.
What if you snatch off my whole vagina? What if it just comes off with the wax? Look, it's on me.
Duh, it's on. Like, where is it supposed to be? On your t-shirt or something? Okay, put your feet together. Okay, you ready? Gotta move your hand.
Go for it. This is awful. Oh, gosh.
I'm not ready for mine. I'm laughing now.
Okay, just give me...
But I know I'm not
Oh my god.
Hold on, it's not that bad.
Yes, it is. This is worse than any tattoo, any piercing. Like, this is
Great.
by far the worst thing that I have experienced.
Did you tell anybody you were getting this done?
No. Oh, I told my mom.
What did she say?
Wait, hold on for this. Can we just leave this one on there until like...
No, we can't leave it on there till the end of time.
Then it'll harden.
Okay. Just,
Who is
okay.
this one?
Okay, do this one. The top is fine. Oh,
Barely, because look at you. You over here shaking. You can't even keep your legs butterflied. Come on.
just 1 second, please. So painful.
Oh my God. Did you get this the other day?
Holy shit. Yes.
I wanted it so bad. It was $10.
Yeah, what's $10? Oh my god, Roger. Okay, I know I'm like telling you to wait.
You gotta come
just like
home.
give me like 15 seconds. You can count down. 15.
Okay. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Are you going to start at 10?
No, keep going. 10, 9.
8. Come
Oh
on.
my god, I can't do it. Can we literally just leave it on there?
No.
Like, I'll still pay you the whole
No.
price.
Come on.
Ah, please.
Come on. You gotta move your hand. You gotta get this off. You ready? Hold on. Don't knock the
I hope that everyone can hear you. Like,
Oh my God. OMG. Come on. Okay, you're almost done.
Am I almost done?
Yes.
It feels like you have...
Literally, you got a 7 on your vagina. So you have a 7. We need to get the rest of it off. Come on.
I'm never doing this again. I cannot.
Yes, you are.
Lexi, I hope I'm like half as dramatic as you are, at least.
You have to they're probably thinking, they're like, what is she in there doing? Having a baby?
I am having a baby.
You're having a hair baby.
Like, what is going on with her in there? You gotta give me a second. I gotta put some more on there so we can get a pool.
I can't believe this is happening right now.
You're gonna go home and say, this was crazy, but you're gonna love how it feels when you're done.
How are you? This is fine for you?
Yes.
This doesn't hurt you?
No, not anymore.
Well, you've had 2 babies, so you don't count.
I didn't even have those natural, girl. I didn't feel nothing. Okay, you think you can breathe? I feel like I'm about to have a baby now. All this breathing that I'm doing, like shit. Oh my God. Like, jeez. She got me over here like,
Can you do the top one first?
if it cools off.
Okay.
Look, I done got wax all on my damn thing because I'm waiting on your crazy ass. We only, 4 minutes in on the video. Okay, hold on. I gotta put some over there. Oh my God. Okay, open up. Butterfly. Sarah, it is not this bad if you have a good pain tolerance.
I told my friends I was like, you guys, I'm gonna get my
All these people that said this is fine are fucking liars. I swear.
It's not that bad.
It is that bad.
You over here just nervous. Barely can breathe. Okay. Bring this back.
But I do expect you to tell everyone at Victoria's Secret these videos.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh my
Your butt is about to show on the camera if you don't come on. Oh,
This bottom's the worst. Like, you just do the top.
listen. Okay, come on. Okay, butterfly.
Go ahead.
Listen to you.
Like,
Look at
you do
her.
it.
She over here shaking. She is looking over here.
Do you want
almost done. You're literally almost there. 3 more pulls and you're done.
You are literally shaking.
No shit. Hold on. Open it up. Just open. Okay, relax. We're almost there. We're almost. Are you about to have a baby? Like,
Do you need to hold my hand, Lexi?
This was all a fucking lie.
No, it's not.
Taryn lied to us. I'm blaming Taryn.
No, call Taryn. Girl, Taryn came back one time and girl was breathing so hard because she was like, "Oh my God, these 2 forever."
Does this hurt? Does this hurt less if I didn't have any hair?
No, it would hurt the same. Open up.
Okay.
It would just basically kind of be the same.
I'm bleeding.
Because I'm ripping hair from the root. That is normal. You're not bleeding like some other people are.
Oh my gosh.
Mia came and
Nipple
got her.
piercings were better. Nipple piercings were so much better than
Okay,
this.
butterfly. Butterfly.
Is it anything down there? Or is it just up top?
It's right here.
Oh.
If you keep your legs open.
I know. I
Look at her like,
I
She ready to
tried.
fight somebody for
I
it.
know you got a physical edge, like.
Like, what the heck? Okay, almost done. Almost.
How many pulls do you have left?
Only one more after this. Only one more. Okay.
How nice your drive to St. Louis is gonna be.
Okay, wait a minute. What are you going to say?